Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dori IT, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to install IBM SPSS Statistical on your computer. If you are new to data analysis, SPSS is one of the most powerful and a beginner-friendly tools you can use for research, academic project, or business insights. In this video, I will guide you step by step from downloading the software to completing the installation, and I will also explaining why SPSS is so important for anyone working with data. So make sure you watch till the end and let's get started. So now you go in Google Chrome, typing IBM SPSS Statistical Downloads, and now they take you to official website. Click here. So it depends on your internet speed. So click on try it free. So now you need to create your account before before click on download. So first of all, enter your email, enter password. So keep it this. Use a strong password. First name. So country Rwanda, choose optional, full-time student, company, okay, just put any name here, job title, just student. I agree to be contacted by IBM business partner for special student pricing, can put no or yes. Subscribe to the what's new at no. Okay, click on next. So you need to go to your email. So now you have this code, copy, put it here. So I did like to use my contact detail to keep me informed. No, just okay, submit. Account information. So after creating an account, they direct you to this page. So click here and you go to my IBM. Scroll down and click on download. Choose your operating system. So now I choose Windows 64-bit. So now it is downloading and it has 905 megabytes. I will be back. Now after downloading it, click on here, click this to open it. Waiting. Take a time to run it. Okay, now on loading. Preparing to installation. So click on next, click on accept, next. So next you can change the folder where your installation will be saved. Click on next to keep it as a default. Click on install. So please wait while the install shield wizard installs IBM SPSS Statistics, and this may take several minutes. Getting the installation. So it's updating and copying your file to the installation folder. So it takes several minutes to finish the installation. So while we wait our app to be installed, so let me tell you an SPSS overview. So some features SPSS has advanced features is a syntax editor, automate task using SPSS command, great for repeatable analysis. So and SPSS has macro. So if you are if you write a code, you can use macro or VBA. So custom reusable commands, and the SPSS has a modular integration for machine learning and predictive modeling. So customer table and charts, dynamic report. So some common statistical tests in SPSS are like some compare means between the two groups, like when you are testing independent sample t-test for manual path analyze to compare means to independent two sample test. So now our installation has successfully installed. Click on finish and it's opening. Loading takes some time, several minutes to finish for loading if it is your first time. Wait. Finish. So we type our emails. So click on remember. Just to continue, put the password, click login, just waiting the app. Okay, they recommend an verification is Alright, we close. to choose email, type by email to receive code. Send a code. So now we need email here. Copy this back here, paste it, verify, okay. Click on done. Wait for app, allow, wait. Now our app is opening, so you can now click on new dataset. So minimize this, okay, this, and maximize this. Now you have a new dataset, so you can click on file, go new dataset, syntax or output or script if it is new dataset. So one is an integer, so name, so on this, everything here is working. So this, it is a free trial for 14th day. So if you are a student, you have to use free trial. So after knowing if the app is important to you, you have to buy. So you have to buy the app because an academic research and assignment, easy of use, professional skills, reliable and accurate results, support running statistical project and tense work. So this is for free trial version, valid for 14 to 30 days. After that, you can contact me through the email or waiting for next video. Why you need to use subscribed version instead of free trial version, and how you can get it, correct version or paid version. See you on the next video, and remember to make a subscribe. Press on the subscribe button for more video on the IT things, IT video, IT tutorials. So other video is on the Django. So on the Django for data analysis, we will use Python instead of SPSS. So see you on next video.